Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. This review is on Chiroptera. It's a multi-currency EA that takes a genuinely different approach from most of what we have covered on this channel, or many of what we have covered on this channel. But before we get into it, a quick note for you. If you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 loaded with a bunch of indicators and candlestick patterns already built in, just grab it using the link in the description below. So now let's start with the platform confirmation. This is Chiroptera EA for MT5. So we are strictly in MetaTrader 5 territory here. Now let us go through the marketplace page from the top. It is developed by Rob Josephus Maria Jansen, and we are on version 6.5, last updated on the 18th of June 2026, and it has 5 activations. It is marked as prop firm ready, and it is priced at 899 US dollars. According to the description, Chiroptera is a non-martingale, non-grid, multi-currency EA that trades across all 28 major pairs using single individually placed trades, not baskets or grids. Take profit and stop loss levels are described as being continuously adjusted to try to maximize gains and minimize losses on each position. One thing that stands out here is that it only trades during what the developer calls the quiet hours. Okay, the quiet hours of the night, a couple of hours a day, and keeps everything else in cash with the broker the rest of the time. It is also described as tracking upcoming and past news events and monitoring real-time volatility to try to filter out impact from unpredictable events like unscheduled tweets or geopolitical headlines. The developer also notes they recommend not running settings that push beyond 25% profit per month for consistent growth, and to message them directly after purchase for broker recommendations. Now, scrolling into the feature list, a few things worth flagging. It uses limit orders rather than market orders, specifically to avoid slippage, which the developer says removes the need for a low latency VPS. It also modulates the incoming price feed to try to place those limit orders optimally regardless of broker spread. Now, there is a live news server connection used to model holiday and news impact using correlation based calculations, and it sends real-time push notifications to the MT5 mobile app so you can track things like slippage and margin level as they happen. Here is an important detail before we get to the backtest. The EA runs an adaptive learning algorithm that determines which symbols perform best for a given broker, and the developer is upfront that this takes the first 60 days to fully learn. Okay, during that learning window in backtest, it only trades minimum lot size, which shows up as a flat portion at the start of the equity curve. So that is worth keeping in mind as we look at the numbers, since a chunk of the test period reflects this reduced learning phase activity rather than the EA's fully adapted behavior. Now onto the testing, the historical testing. This ran on a $10,000 account, H1 chart, covering January through July 2026, about 7 months. All right, and the total net profit for that period came out to $32,149.56. The results also confirmed that the EA was active across all 28 symbols during the test, consistent with the one chart multi-pair setup described on the page. Now, looking closer, the maximum balance drawdown was only 3.36%, and the equity drawdown maxed out at 7.66%. Both of them are genuinely low relative to the profit generated. The profit factor came in at 6.30, recovery factor at 14.60, and the win rate across 3,125 total trades sat at nearly 85%. Those are strong figures across the board, and they broadly line up with the single trades continuously managed TP and SL approach described on the page. Now, one thing worth flagging honestly though is that the developer's own product page recommends not running settings that generate more than 25% profit per month for consistent long-term growth. Based on the historical testing shown here, the average monthly return over this roughly 7-month period worked out well above that 25% figure. Now, that is not necessarily a problem with the EA itself, but it is worth noting as a gap between the developer's own stated guidance and what this particular historical test produced. So to wrap up, based purely on what is shown here, Chiroptera EA looks like it could suit traders who want a system that limits market exposure to a small daily window and avoids grid or martingale style averaging. That said, remember that the first 60 days of any backtest or fresh live deployment reflect a learning phase with reduced activity, and actual results will still depend on your broker's execution, spread, and the risk settings that you choose. So I'm going to recommend running your own extended test, all right, including that full learning period and forward testing on demo before committing real capital. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.